Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch. It is a very delicate stitch also. It is a armor stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. We can use this pattern for making any knitting project like scarf, sweater, jacket, etc. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video in your friends with your groups. Thank you. So friends, let's start the pattern. Friends, before starting the pattern, friends, we will use two types of needle here for this type of a pattern. I have used one thick needle and one thin needle. My one needle is 4 number and second one is 10 number needle, and I have used 4 ply yarn for it. It is a baby wool 4 ply yarn. I am normally use 10 number needle for this type of wool. So today we will use these two type of needle, one thick and second one is thin. First of all, we will cast on stitches on the thick needle. So let's start. And one thing is, we will cast on stitches with a single thread. We will not use a double thread. So make a knot here like this. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So I have cast on 10 stitches on my needle with the multiple of 2. So let's start the first row of the pattern. We will prepare first row with the thin needle. So first row is a right side. Simply slip the edge stitch like this. After that, pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch through the back loop, yarn in front and purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 1 stitch through the back loop and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from the back loop and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from the back loop and purl 1 stitch. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have edge stitch, so yarn in back, simply knit the edge stitch. Second row, we will make a second row with the thick needle, 4 number of needle. So simply slip the edge stitch. After that, yarn in back and pattern is start, and there's a knit 1 through the back loop, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch through the back loop and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from the back loop, purl 1 stitch, knit 1 stitch through the back loop and purl 1 stitch. So in this way we will complete our second row. Friends, our first row and second row is almost same except edges. In first row we will knit the edge stitch, and in second row we will purl the edge stitch. Otherwise our two rows same. So after the 2 rows, our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. So I will show you after making some rows here. So friends, our pattern is start like this. We will repeat these 2 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 2 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.